Yo, this is the Trading Disciple. Back for a welcome to another video. So I got home late from work. I had to work late. So I missed this trade. I missed this signal right here. This closed above the 9. This closed above the 9. And if I would have taken that, yeah, 10 points, and this went 18 points. If I would have taken that one at 7:15, yeah, I didn't get home till like 7:30. I sat at the computer and I watched it just go without me. If I would have gotten home at 7, I would have caught this trade. That's why I'll be happy for the day when I can just trade full time and I won't have to work a stupid job anymore. Hate work. I want to trade for a living. Which is why I've become a disciple. I'm a disciple of Jesus and I'm a disciple of trading. It has a dual meaning. Trading disciple. So anyways, so we're looking for our next setup right now. We just had the 8 o'clock open at the Tokyo. So it pumped before Tokyo and then it's gone sideways here. So we're looking for a break of structure and a close below the 9. That would be my signal. As you can see, I'm on my Top Step funded account. I'm currently building my buffer of $2,000 buffer. I have 577 left to go. See, when you have when you start with a Top Step funded account, this maximum loss limit starts at negative 2,000, and then you have to make 2,000 to zero this out. So, and then anything over that is over your buffer. I mean, but Top Step allows you to withdraw into your buffer, but that would reduce your drawdown amount. So if I took out $500, then my drawdown would go from 2,000 to 1,500 only drawdown. But once you're over the buffer, draw anything over the buffer. Some prop firms require you to build a $2,000 buffer first on a 50K account before you can ever withdraw. I think Top Step is the only one that allows you to withdraw into your buffer. But if you withdraw into your buffer, you risk losing the account. So that's why right now I'm eligible for a payout right now, but I'm playing the long game. I'm building the buffer. I'm going for max payout. Who am I kidding? I got the 50K account on Top Step, consistency path. Max payout is $6,000. We going for max payout, bruh. We ain't withdrawing into our buffer. We're building this buffer and we going for maximum payout. Know what I'm saying? Okay. See, so now we're looking for break of structure and a close below the 9 here. If it closes below, that's my signal. Oh, and look at the stochastics. I look at the stochastics are way up top, ready to slam down. ATR is at 5 on the 5 minute. You can expect it to move 5 points watching the 5 minute, but we got ATR of 11 on the 15 minute here. Huge green candle before the Tokyo Open. Very interesting. But right now I'd like to look at What did gold do today while I was at work, working my stupid job? And so today's the 24th. So it dumped. I caught a short last night. I didn't record it on stream because I was on the phone with my brother. But right at the 9 o'clock open. Oh yeah, I don't know, I caught some of this short right at the 9 o'clock open. Yeah, I think I was short here. It started to go sideways. It was like going sideways, and then I caught a short, and then I got out. I was done trading for the night, and it bounced. Look at this bounce. Like, man. Wait, that's 9 a.m. Where's 9 p.m.? Oh, my bad. That was not the bounce. Oh, that's the bounce. So this is 6 p.m. I trade 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. That's if I can get off work early enough. But now today's going to be 8 to 10. Where was my short? Yeah, right here. 9 p.m. open last night was the Singapore Open. It was going sideways, and I was on the phone with my brother, and I was like, if it breaks this level, I'm telling you, it's going down. I was targeting these lows here. It hit my full take profit, and I kept a runner on, and it just kept going. Man. I mean, it just dumped at the 9 o'clock open. It just dumped 25 points. And then it bounced. It bounced all the way back. Bounced 30. That's insane. And so I didn't trade after that. I was like, I'm good for the night. I don't want to overtrade. That was an insane bounce. So it was in a downtrend. It bounced, and then it went back down till 11, 12 a.m. And then seems like around midnight, I've seen gold turn the other direction at midnight or 1 a.m. for some reason, Eastern. Bounced up. And then what happened at the New York Open? And then, oh, there's London. Didn't move much during London. Whoa, it just dumped. It dumped below 4,000. Holy moly, gold got below 4,000 today. We're in a long-term downtrend, aren't we? It dumped. Bounced at the 9:30 New York Open. New York pumped it. New York pumped it like 55 points. Yeah. I hope the music isn't too loud. Lower the music a little bit. But we pumped 70 points in New York Open. Man, I can't wait till the day when I don't have to work during New York Open. Yeah, some of us have to work actual jobs. We can't trade New York Open, which sucks. But the goal is to financial freedom from stupid jobs. Okay, I think that's enough about the job stuff. Okay, so we're in an uptrend since 2 p.m. this afternoon. That's interesting. Oh, look at this double bottom here. That's an interesting double bottom. 9 a.m. and then it pumped New York sideways, came back down here, and then it pumps. Is this a double bottom for a reversal? Is it gonna go up, sideways, or down. I mean, we can guarantee it's going to do one of those three things. Am I right? So we're kind of uptrending. We could break this on the 15-minute, and it could go back down to 4. There's 4,000. I'm going to mark that level. That's a big level. So that's uptrend. You know, in as I've watched the gold chart every night for the past 12 months, maybe 13, 14 months. Every night after work, I get on the charts. I used to trade NASDAQ, but it just fakes me out too much. I trade gold a lot better than I trade NASDAQ. I'll tell you that. So I've stopped trading that. Oh, and we missed a signal while I was doing that analysis. Are you kidding me? I just missed my signal. I didn't have time to do my analysis because I got off work so late. You gotta be kidding me, and this isn't loading. Why is this not loading? Reload. And we just missed a signal there. Broke structure. Dang. Oh, there's the 9. I don't know what to do here. This is an overextended bar. It broke structure. I think we just missed that crap. Man, I would have gotten... I was doing analysis. Okay. Man, I'm really not sure here. That's a really... I would have liked to have a candle close here. That's exactly what I was looking for. The stochastics. Okay, if it keeps going, I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna hop in for like 5 points here. I've already missed half the move. Man, because I was doing that analysis, I didn't have time to do analysis. Let's do a 1-to-1 trade. 5-point stop loss and a 5-point take profit. Yeah. See, if I would have gotten off work on time, I would have had time to do my analysis. No, but I had to do all this extra crap at work. It made me... Dude, I hate this job. I have to get free from my job. I must be a full-time... I am manifesting. I am a full-time trader. I trade for a living. I don't have to work a stupid job because I make so much money trading. Look at this. As soon as I get in, it starts bouncing. What is this crap? Yeah, that was... It's okay. It could get rejected. It's hitting VWAP here. Hitting VWAP. Dude, I missed this trade because... Gosh, damn it. I am not happy that I had all this... They gave me all this extra stupid work to do. It made me late, so I wasn't able to get to the charts on time. Okay, gold getting rejected off of VWAP. Let's go. Let's dump this thing. See, normally I go for 10 points after the candle close, but this is a really extended candle. I would have liked to have a candle close here, way up here, and then go for 10 points off of that, and it's already gone. But we just had a nice rejection from VWAP on the 5-minute here. We're coming up on the bottom of the hour in 8 minutes. I'm going to go to max position, 3 micros. I'm just trying to scalp 5 points here. Okay, it's consolidating, which is not a good sign. Could be consolidating for reversal. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I wonder if we should just get out of this. I don't like this. And I was doing analysis and it just went without us because I was on the wrong screen. Because I got home late for work. Man. I will earn financial freedom. Oh, maybe it'll go all the way down to this low. There's 10 points. Honestly, I might get out of this. I don't like this at all. I mean, we still had a rejection from VWAP. See how this candle closes. What seems to be finding support here for some reason. Will it break through this? Okay, we're about to close. I bet you this is going to close a doji. This is an indecisive candle for 5. It's going to be indecisive for 5 minutes. On the last 10 minutes, it was dumping. I don't know. We might just get out of this. 5 seconds to candle close. There's the close. Close the doji. Which could mean a reversal. Could be a doji reversal. Or it just could continue. We're not sure. Is it gonna dump and trigger me in? Okay, I'm triggered into 3 here. And I don't know if I want to. I might just get out of 2 at like 5 points. Do a limit buy, leave 1 runner. Okay, where's 5 points from here? 4011.3. 4011. I'm not sure. We're not sure how far it's going to dump. You know what? I'm going to move my stop to break even. Risk-free trade. Well, just above this support. Or it could keep going in our favor. Nope. Yeah, I don't know. We might get out of this. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Well, market moving a little bit slow tonight. I bet you at 8:30, the bottom of the hour, something might happen. Oh, here's a move. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I got out of 2 there. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten out of 2. Oh well. Risk-free trade. We're up $100. We're just chilling. We just made $100. I'm not trying to go for swing for the fences here. No, let's leave it at break even and see what happens at 8:30. We're in 1 micro, risk-free trade right now. So you can see once again My system played out beautifully. We had a candle close here above the 9. If you don't like that one, you could also use this candle close above the 9. So it's a downtrending. Here's the first example. This is happening every night, I'm telling you. Oh no. Come on, I want to leave a runner till 8:30, see what happens. Is it going to dump further or is it going to bounce? That's the question. But anyways, it broke this downward structure. Stochastics at the bottom, close above the 9. And then sometimes volatility happens into the Tokyo Open. So like 30 minutes before, like 7:30 Eastern, you might get some volatility into the Tokyo. And it just pumped 20 points from my signal. That's my signal right there. Next signal, well, it was kind of weird, but breakup structure, it broke it. I was on another chart when this was happening. We got in way late, but I think I got 5 points there with 2 micros, and I'm in one runner. So even if we take it from the candle close here, it's gone. See, my target is always 10 points from the candle close, and it's gone 10 points. Sometimes it goes further, sometimes it doesn't go all the way, and it might just trigger us out, but that's fine. We're up $100. Good for a first trade of the night. Oh, 8:30. It's happening in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. See what happens. No, let's. Whoa, look at that. Little dumparooski. It might bounce here, it might continue. Tighten it up. See how far it goes. Tighten up this runner. Yeah, oh, bouncing. Oh, we should have gotten out there. Yeah, see what happens. Looks like it wants to bounce here. Looking like it wants to bounce. Bounce with me, bounce with me. Does it want to bounce with me? Well, just see what it does. This is a risk-free trade. We've already made $100 on this trade. Now I'm up 56 on one micro. You know what? $150. I am happy with that. I'm gonna let's see what I'm in a short. So in order to limit out, I need to join bid. Yeah. If I want to limit out, I mean it's probably gonna go to this low. Did we get out of this? I mean, bro, how low can she go? I mean, how low is it gonna go? I'm getting out. I'm happy with that. Come on, limit me out, or I'm gonna just mark it out. There you go. 160. Trading with 3 micros, scaling in and scaling out with 3 micros. $160, and it's probably gonna keep going, but I'm good with that. I'm happy with that. It's a good first trade of the night. So I'm gonna pause the recording and wait till the next setup here. So as you can see, it's still dumping. I got out way too early. I was targeting these lows and it smashed through them. It's still going. I got out of the third micro, like way up here. And it's down another 8 points from where I got out. I got in up here. I need to practice holding my trades longer. This is ridiculous. I got in like up here somewhere, and it's gone 15 points. Man, what a short. Man, I should have held that short. Well, we're practicing. We're getting better every day, better every week. We should have held this trade longer. But sometimes when I hold a trade too long, it bounces up and stops me out at break even or something. So it's tricky. Very tricky. We're going to wait for the 9 o'clock open to see what kind of fireworks are going to happen here. Okay. We are looking like another possible setup here. We got 8 minutes until the open. The 9 p.m. open. See, look at this. Breaking structure here. See, we've got my strategy has 3 confluences. Stochastics are are at the bottom. I don't per se trade off of the stochastics, but they're just another confluence. Confluence 1 is break of structure. See, this structure is breaking. Confluence 2 is a close above the 9 EMA. Confluence 3 is stochastics at the bottom. This is a momentum oscillator. You know, the momentum is down and it's wanting to swing up. But who knows? It could reverse back down at the 9 p.m. open. We don't know. But look at this. It went lower. I got out way too soon. It went another 14 points after I got out. Should have held that run there. And now it has bounced 16 from the lows. Wow. Look at this bounce. This is an insane bounce here. This is a break of structure. This is a close above the 9. This is the stochastic momentum at the bottom wanting to swing up. This is the 3 confluences, and let's see if it works. As soon as this candle closes, oh my gosh. We got 1 more minute for this candle to close. I'm going to wait for confirmation. That's always a good thing to do. Wait for confirmation for the candle close confirmations. I really just want to get in right now. We got 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds and it's just pumping. Man, we got another extended candle. Wait for confirmations. I'm going to get in 1 micro. I'm going to add if it keeps going my direction. We're going to add 2. We're going to mark it in at the candle close here. Candle has closed above the 9 and it's right at VWAP. Will it break VWAP is the question. Or will it get rejected at the VWAP? I like to just keep the VWAP on my screen. Just what I think is going to happen is it might consolidate until 9 o'clock open. We need a wider stop here for this 9 p.m. open. It moves crazy at 9. Really, my target would be these highs. We might scale out on the way up, but I think it's gonna pull back a little bit and then the momentum will swing back to the upside. Yeah, we need a wide stop on this. 10 point stop on this. We have 4 minutes till the open here. I've seen it do this before. The candle will close, it'll pull back a little bit, or it'll go sideways and consolidate. But for my system, it's looking like the momentum wants to swing back up to these highs. Huge bullish candle close above the 9. And we'll see what happens in a few minutes here at the 9 o'clock open. Man, sometimes these 9 o'clock opens can be violent with gold and NASDAQ, but I don't trade NASDAQ anymore. It's just too wiggly and whippy, and it fakes me out. I trade gold way better. Okay, I've probably said that before. Here we go. We got 2 minutes. I need something to drink. Oh my gosh, we got a minute and a half. We got a minute and a half. I'm gonna grab something to drink. Are you ready for blast off? We're either gonna get a blast off or a dump. Uh-oh, pulling back. Pulling back. 2 minutes to the open. That's why I'm only in 1 micro. 1 microbial. I'm gonna increase. Oh, whoa, whoa! What a pullback! I'm not convinced. You're not. I know you're not supposed to move your stop. We got a minute and a half to the open. It's hitting this level. Wow. It might want to dump further, but sometimes they dump it right before the open. Oh man, I thought we were doing max position size of 3. Why are we doing... Dude, this is... Oh! 1 minute till the open. Yeah. My normal stop is 5 points. We're way beyond that. Oh, we went down 11 points. Maybe we should get out. Sometimes it pulls back right before the open. That's why if this pumps, I'm going in heavy because I've seen this before. We got a signal, and then I'm going to tighten up my stop right before the open here. Tighten it to 10 points. Oh boy, this is nuts. Well, it's right below here. See what happens. If it stops me out, we can always get back in. Okay, we're trying to pump here. Does it want to pump? Is the question. That is the question. What do we want to do? Singapore and Malaysia opening at 9 Eastern. Do you want to pump this price, or do you want to dump this gold? I say buy. I say buy this gold and pump it. Well, it tagged me into 5 there. I hope it doesn't tag me in and then reverse and stop me out. That would not be good. Maybe we shouldn't have gone in so heavy. Look at this. It tagged me in. Ooh. I think I went too heavy. Oh, I should only... I thought... Yeah, I'm just... Should have only gone in with 3 micros. But this is my signal. I'm confident in my system. How confident are you? Well, now it's going. We had a nice little recovery there. Is it just, what's it going to do? Is it just going to go sideways? We had that big sell-off right before the open, and then now it's trying to recover. 3 minutes till this candle closes. Dude, seriously, don't tag me in and then reverse. Thank you. Just keep, maybe if I blow on it, it'll keep. No, where are you going? Go north, go up. Okay. Now when should we start getting out here? Last time I held it too long. I mean, this last trade I didn't hold long enough. Now, is this trade? Do I hold? Maybe we should get out. Dang, I was in profit, bro. Look at this. Don't get rejected here. It's trying to go. Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. I think, don't ask. Maybe I'm in too heavy here. Come on. Wow, it's attempting. Yeah, maybe we should have gotten out there. Yeah, we went in too heavy. What is this music? Oh my gosh, this is weird music. That was weird. Okay, let me check out gold on the 15-minute. Man, gold on the 15. Oh no. Is it just gonna range? Wait, no, not that chart. Dang. Look at that huge rejection. Look at that huge rejection. Look at that. Man, 9 o'clock. Whoa, look at this rejection. Dude. Huge rejection here. I'm going to try to get out. Oh my gosh. What just happened? Wait, I'm on the 15. How did that close? Oh, shoot. It got rejected. Closed green. Just consolidation sideways. I hate when the market's moving and then as soon as you get in the trade, it just goes sideways. This is not good though. Not liking this price action. Wonder, probably shouldn't keep moving my stop here. Do we take the L? I'm down 500 because I went in so heavy. We're in a DCA. You're not supposed to DCA. You're not supposed to add to losers. You're not supposed to move your stop loss. We should have gotten out there. We're trying to get out of this trade. We're trying to get out of this trade. Come on. Get me out of this trade. At the bottom of this range here. If that breaks, that won't be good. Seriously tagged me in at the top and then what do we do here? Wait, close above, close below, close above, close below. I don't trade these markets. I don't like to trade when it's closing above, below, above, below. I usually sit out, but I got into a trade before it started just going sideways. Dude, come on. This needs to break. This structure here on the 100 tick chart needs to break up. This is not following my rules. This is 5-point stop loss. What happened to that rule? Dude, we just need it. Oh, there's the close. There's the 5-minute close. There's the close. There's... And it's just going against us.